Ntambama vele seshwele KZN. Let your powerful namhlanje kusihla empilweni yakho ekhaya lakho emsebenzini wakho kuyona yonke into yenzayo namhlanje kusihla amandla sezulwini amandla sekhaya mawehle ahlele kuwe dokotela siye khona emkhulekweni ntambama nje.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu TJ, ngiyathanda ukuthi before sikhuleke I have this announcement laphana ke ehholo la kwasikwa Mashu sizobe sine vision casting. Ngizobe ngihamba nekhehla lami ubaba.
Oh yeah, amen.
Ngomgqibelo lo sinawo ngo12 o'clock khona laphana ke ehholo lomphakathi wakasikwa Mashu nekusukela ngo12 o'clock we will be speaking about the vision, and one of the things that are powerful that can change impilo yakho, that can change the way you look at things, because abantu abaningi mawungena umbono uyabhupha futhi uyadlubulundela. So when you have a vision, you are willing to die for a vision. You don't care about things that are happening around because you've got a vision, something. I'm inviting people to come lapha ehholo la kwaMashu kwaSing, ngizobe ngihamba nobaba Bishop SP Msome. We will be speaking about something powerful. A vision, something that has kept me, something that has encouraged me to reach i-level ethize. Today, I'm where I am because of the vision. Ngizobe sikhuluma ngayo vision siyicuzulula ngendlela ethize. But today, mlaleli osukwini namhlanje, I want to say to you as I'm going to pray, because ufanele ukuthi ukhule mangabe usenkosini. La uNkulunkulu ufuna sifinyelele ebudedeni opheleleyo bevangeli. Ufuna sifinyelele ebulinganisweni, because nokukholwa akusiyona kufanele ukuthi kukhule kufinyelele ebudodeni uze bukwazi ukuthi bukwenzele something ezoshintsha impilo yakho. Njengoba ethe uTG one day sizochaza mhlambe next week we will speak about the faith, these different kinds of faith ukuthi isebenza kanjani. Maybe we'll talk about them next week ukuthi ke kusebenza kanjani this thing. But right now I want to pray for you wherever you are. Ngifuna ukuthi nawe ungene kuleli ifu lenkazimulo. Ngifuna ifu lenkazimulo lingene ekhaya lakho lizoqeda amabhadi, lizoqeda ikwele, lizoqeda izifo, lizoqeda izinto enilala nazo nezinto enidlayo ebusuku. I want this cloud of glory to come. Anything that we experience on Saturday, ngifuna ukuthi ingene ekhaya lakho, ngifuna ukuthi ishintshe impilo yakho, ngifuna ukuthi ke iguqule impilo abantwana bakhe, ishintshe everything. Uyayazi desire yakho oyikhulekelayo, but let me pray for you right now. Yes, every Sunday at 10 o'clock lapha 32 Hill Street ePinetown kwi-first floor. I'm telling you, your life will never be the same again. Transformation. Mawuya lapha kwi-social media, you will see ukuthi God is doing something. Let me pray for you. Baba, egameni lika Jesu, nampa abalaleli bakho abasemakhaya, abantwana bakho laba banezidingo ezahlukahlukeneyo, balangazelela the transformation, the power and the